y'all, good morning. So I'm chilling on the couch. I just uploaded my I bought a car vlog and I'm responding to some comments right now. So I'm going to work on that probably for at least a half hour. I'm kind of behind on my getting my ish together vlog. I've actually been really trying to keep up with it, but it's been getting a lot of comments, which is awesome. So thank you everyone who has commented, just really sweet things. And it seems like a lot of us were kind of in that rut or are still in that rut. I don't know, is it that time of year where it's just like the summer is coming and we're tired? I don't know, but it seems like a lot of us are definitely kind of feeling that lack of motivation thing. But I have been feeling so much better. I think you can really see it in my, like when I'm editing, I can like tell when it was actually a good day. I mean, obviously I know me, but I bet y'all can probably tell too. But I just uploaded the car vlog and obviously I'm in a good mood because I got a car. It was very exciting. But I'm about to edit and get ready to upload, maybe upload on Tuesday. Wait, is today Monday? Today's Monday. So maybe upload Wednesday or Thursday. A what I ate in a day from yesterday, and it's just like a chatty, vlog. I go to Target. Do I go to Target in every vlog? Because it's really seeming that way. But I had some really good meals yesterday, or actually it's from Saturday. It's not from yesterday. I had some. Okay, what's happening with my voice? Okay, I had I've just really had a really great weekend overall. Everyone on Instagram was saying like, you're glowing, you can tell how happy you are now that Morgan's back and stuff like that. So it's been so nice having him home for a really long weekend, because he was here all of Friday, all of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Mondays, today, Memorial Day. He might leave today, we're not sure. It kind of depends on where he's going. So anyways, it's going to be a short week for both of us, though, because my friend's 30th birthday weekend is this weekend, and so we are all going to Fredericksburg. It's a couples trip with, like, our group from college. It's, like, 5 couples, and it's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. But, anyways, back to what I was saying. It's been so nice having him here. Saturday was a really great day for me. We had leftover pizza because we had pizza on Friday, which I'm pretty proud of how Friday went as well. So anyways, actually, now that I'm talking about food, I need to order a grocery pickup for this week. Like I said, it's a short week, so I'm only going to be at work and like home Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we're seeing a couple things to get me through. And I think I'm going to get a couple of their like ready-made meals from H-E-B that you bake in the oven. I'm gonna take those for lunch. I might get one for dinner, we'll see. And then I'm gonna get, I don't know what else, but I have a lot of Trader Joe's stuff. I might just get like chicken or something. I don't know, like I want something pre-cooked. I know that sounds lazy, but I'm really just easing my way back into it, trying not to tell myself I need to make 5 dinners from scratch, and now that Morgan's gone, it's just like there's even less of a need to like cook a full-on dinner. So I do have some Trader Joe's like vegetables and stuff I want to try and use up, so I'm going to try them to see if they're good, and then I have them, so I should use them. But I might just get some like proteins, maybe, I don't know, we'll figure it out. I don't know, but I'm gonna do a grocery pickup later today. And we're just chilling. I think we're going to go by my parents for just a little while to show my mom my new car. So we're going to do that later. I think they're cooking burgers. I don't know if we'll eat there or what the plan is, but we're just chilling today, finishing the laundry, which is almost done. And yeah, the house is still clean. I'm working on my friend's birthday present. I'm doing a basket because do I gift anything else? No. Gift baskets are just like my love language. So I'm making her I'm like really happy with how it's turned out. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit when I stand up. But good morning. Happy, well, Monday. It's a really good Monday. So happy to be here on my couch, but back to work tomorrow. So today got to get stuff together to have a really good week. Hello, Hutchie. There you are. Hey y'all, so I'm about to make a couple breakfast tacos for myself. Morgan is having Trader Joe's turkey corn dogs, delicious. So I'm gonna use the Trader Joe's Carb Savvy tortillas, 45 calories each, a little avocado spray just for the pan, a couple of eggs, leftover potatoes from tilapia night that we had. I'm just gonna throw those in with the eggs. Also have just a little bit more of that taco meat. I wanna use that up. And I'm gonna top it with some of the pico de gallo. So I'm gonna make a couple delicious, like, I don't know. I was gonna say taco inspired, but it's already a taco. You get the idea. Okay, I wasn't filming that, but anyways, these are the tacos. They're giving me like chorizo and egg vibes. I ate some of the extra. Y'all can see how stuffed these were. There was even more extra because I could have made 3. Didn't think about that. But I did eat the rest that was in the pan. Very much chorizo and eggs, and it is delicious. I'm so excited. Hey y'all, I'm headed to the store. I don't even know why I'm showing you an outfit because I have no makeup on. I haven't done nothing to my hair, and all I did was put on some Nike shorts and a tank top and a white sports bra. And this is the fit today. Also, our living room is a wreck because we're in the middle of doing a ton of laundry. Yay. But anyways, I'm headed to the grocery store to pick up my grocery order. It was very small. I think it was like $50. Okay, it was very small and it was $50, but it was $50 because I got some of those ready meals, which are like $6 a piece. So, yeah, that's kind of what made it more expensive. But I just got like the staples to get me through the week while Morgan's not here. We're leaving town Friday morning. Hutch is playing with something, I don't know. And so yeah, we don't have, I shouldn't need that much, but let's go get it. We're also gonna stop and get a tea, yay. Hey y'all, so I just got home from the grocery pickup. Sparkling water, I haven't seen this flavor. I think they're coming out with new flavors. Cranberry, raspberry, I've never seen that one. So picked up that. I just did grocery pickup, so you know what I mean. Picked up this term. Bananas for the week. Morgan loves those. I also got these for Morgan. We thought he was gonna leave town. Now we don't really know what the plan is. Yeah, we don't know. So anyways, I guess we'll find out. But I got him these. He's been really liking these cereal bars to take with him, like on the road, quick breakfast. And I decided this week I got the one that had multiple flavors instead of just one. I didn't know if he was getting tired of them. I got my oat milk for my iced coffee. And, very exciting, we're gonna try this from Starbucks. It's the cold brew concentrate. So this isn't in the cold section. I don't know where it would be in H-E-B, but it's in Target. It's like in the coffee aisle, like where you get ground coffee. It's in that aisle. I guess it would probably be in that aisle at H-E-B too. It's like $7.50 to $7.99 at both stores. So it's kind of expensive. It says it makes 8 servings. You fill your favorite glass with ice, pour in 4 ounces of concentrate and 4 ounces of water. So it's just a 1-to-1 ratio. And we're gonna see if this can replace my cold brew. I love the cold brew. It's not much more expensive than this, but I do have to go to Whole Foods, which is somewhere I don't really go to. Like I only go there for this. Hey, go. I only go there for coffee. So it'd be really nice if I could just pick up a coffee from the grocery store each week. So we'll see. But truly, there are very few Starbucks prepackaged items that I actually like. So we're gonna give that a try tomorrow. Also got some chicken just to put in the freezer. I need some more. This is just the cooked chicken breast strips for some dinners this week and, you know, whenever I need it. I got the Italian blend lettuce for side salads. And then, this is most exciting. This is literally the last part of the haul. I hardly bought anything this week, but this did make it a little bit expensive. It's gonna be interesting if Morgan doesn't leave town. No, it'll be fine. These are mostly lunches. Yeah, okay. So I picked up these. My friend has been trying a bunch of them and then Snapchatting me about all of them. So anyways, the first one I picked up is Homestyle Meatloaf Meal. I think this got, it said it got subbed for something, but I don't know what it got subbed for. 540 calories, 27 grams of protein, and you just put it in the oven. 400 minutes, 20 minutes, or 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So it looks like this, just a little meatloaf, mashed potato, and green bean. The meatloaf has a red sauce on it. My friend Amanda told me this one is delicious. It's one of her husband's favorites. Seafood stuffed salmon with broccoli. So it's a piece of salmon and it's stuffed with like a seafood. I think it's like a crab mixture, which sounds really good. And then it just has broccoli. This one is 560 calories, 32 grams of protein. Then this is the one that she said is delicious. So this is kind of what started this whole thing. She was like, you have to try it. So I went ahead and added this one to cart immediately. It's chicken breast with Cajun style seasonings and butter. It's 420 calories, 41 grams of protein, and it comes with zoodles and cherry tomatoes. It's raw, obviously, so you bake it. She said it's delicious. So I'm really excited to try that. And then the last one I picked up is the chicken breast in basil pesto with broccoli and potatoes. 460 calories, 43 grams of protein. I know that one doesn't look that good, but that's the pesto, obviously. The broccoli is over here. So these are gonna be my lunches for the week. One of them, oh, the sticker stuck to that necklace. These are gonna be the lunches for the week. One of them will be a dinner probably, or maybe Morgan will want to eat one, and he totally can. So that's the plan for this week. I have a couple things in the freezer that I was thinking I could pair with that chicken that I bought. We have the chimichurri rice from Trader Joe's. Morgan loves this stuff. I was thinking it would actually go really well with this vegetable stir fry. This is zucchini spirals. Zucchini spirals, veggies with like a sauce. So I thought that with some chicken would be like a really good dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna get this stuff put away. I need to clean out the fridge just from last week. And then I'm gonna work on laundry and just chill for a little bit. I am probably gonna make a thumbnail for the other video I edited today, so I can get that one up later in the week and I don't have to worry about it. We got our teas. These are so good. I believe this is like 260 calories. It's a blueberry green, sweet blueberry green tea. Look, their straw has a label. I put it in backwards. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the right way. And this is HTO, so it's where we went. So good. Oh, and let me show you what I got from Walgreens. I just ran in there. I'm taking my nails off tonight. I've gotten a lot of questions on them in the video I posted today. They are hand painted. I got them just from a salon. I found a girl actually on TikTok, of all places, and went to her Instagram and booked an appointment with her. This is my second set with her. Love her. And I actually have an appointment tomorrow with another person who works. So that girl like owns the salon. Her name's Caitlin. The other girl that works there, her name is Miranda, and that's who I have an appointment with because Caitlin, my appointment with her wasn't for like 2 more weeks, but I feel like mine are a little bit grown out. And just for this trip, normally I wouldn't care, but I'm going on a girls trip this weekend, not a girls trip, couples trip this weekend for my friend's 30th. You can't go outside, boo-boo. He's mowing. So sorry. I just wanted a little fresh set. So I have an appointment tomorrow. I'm gonna take these off just because it's easier once I get there and quicker. And my appointment is after work. So I got some emery boards. You soak them in, this is called soft gel. So it's not really acrylic. It's like one big, so instead of like them attaching a tip to make your nail longer, it's one whole nail that they apply with just a gel coat. And then they paint them. It's a clear nail. They paint them and then they add the design. So that's what mine look like. I'm gonna soak them in acetone and then use the emery boards to get them off. You should be able to wipe most of it, but I found last time the last little bit that sticks to your nail, I really needed like a file or something. And I also picked up this kit because I wanted this for my cuticles, just like, you know, things I need. So this will help get them off as well. It's nice to have. And this was cheaper. This whole set was cheaper than buying this piece alone. Walgreens is so weird. So I got that. But yeah, let me put everything away and I'll chat with you guys in a little bit. Ma'am, this kitchen is closed. Ma'am, excuse me. Can I talk to you about your car's extended warranty?
What was it? Do you have a minute to talk about your Lord and Savior Jesus Christ?